Well, hello there, my friends, and thank you for joining us today in this ministry moment. I'm actually recording this one day earlier because Thursday and Friday of this week I've got a lot of stuff going on. But you won't know the difference. Just watch us anytime because it's all streamed, and of course you can review it, look at it different times and make notes and whatever you want to do with it. But whatever, I hope that this is a blessing to you. I also want to let you know about our worship service, which doesn't change in time, unlike these ministry moments. And that is 10:45 every Sunday, same place. And it's just a good service. And I hope that too will be a blessing to you if you're not here to experience it in person, because that's even more of a blessing. Now, I suppose you think I'm going to say that, but I really mean it. But I'm glad you're tuning in too. I want to talk to you this morning about Rose Kennedy, who back in the 60s was an elderly woman, of course. And she was 93 years old when she said something that really caught my attention. And I think she really meant it. She was interviewed by a magazine reporter, obviously in the 60s or perhaps earlier. By this time, 4 of her 9 children had died violently. And of course, we know what happened to the President John Kennedy the best, I think. And there was another daughter, Rosemary, who had a very debilitating mental illness. So she had that on her. She also, as you probably know, had a difficult life living with her husband, who, as he was described in this article, was rather unscrupulous in the life he led, and I think that is a very kind way of talking about Joe Kennedy's past. In any case, he died before Rose. In the interview, she was asked about all of these tragedies, and the conversation worked back to them over and over again. And she answered this: I have always believed that God never gives a cross to bear more than we can carry. And I have always believed, she said, no matter what, God wants us to be happy. He doesn't want us to be sad. And here's the punchline. Birds sing after a storm. So why shouldn't we? God is with us before the tragedy, during the tragedy, and afterwards. And sooner or later, we will be in shape to look back through the 2020 vision of hindsight and say, yeah, that was rough. But God helped me grow by going through it. I hope you are blessed by this moment. I hope you be blessed for the rest of the week, and we'll have a wonderful weekend. And I'll see you next week. We'll be back to recording these on Thursday. And I hope the rest of this week will be a good one for you.